Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 43 of paper 2. So here we will discuss essential elements. So we all know that there are 17 essential elements. So they have been divided into 4 types. The first of all is supplied by air and water. Supplied by air and water. So these are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, CHO. Then we have got macronutrients. That is plant require in high amount, macro, and MI macro means that plant require in low amounts. MI. So the macronutrients are N, P, K, and the micronutrients are B, Cl, Cu, Fe, Mn, Mo, Zn, Ni. Here Ni is the latest addition. And we have also got secondary nutrients. These are Ca, Mg, S. So these are the essential elements. These are the essential elements, and we should also note that some scientists also consider Na and Si, that is Na and silicon, sodium and silicon in essential element. So making it 19, but not all the scientists, but some scientists consider it, so you should know it. So these are 17 essential elements. Hope you understand it. Now moving on, what essential and beneficial elements in Indian soil? The status of essential and beneficial elements. In Indian soil. So first one, the nitrogen fertility status is generally low. Nitrogen is generally low in Indian soil except in case of Arunachal and Nagaland. Here the status of nitrogen is little bit higher, but generally nitrogen is low. Secondly, moving on to phosphorus, it is low to medium. Thirdly, potassium, it is rich in Indian soils, rich medium to high amount in Indian soil. Mostly it is medium, and in high amounts in some states such as Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. Moving on, sulfur, this is as sulfur. Sulfur is medium to low, and it is generally going down. That is, in Indian soil, the amount of sulfur is decreasing. Decreasing. So it is also going. Originally it was medium, but it has now gone to low, and it is continuously decreasing. Now macronutrient status. It is also low to medium. An example such as Fe, Mg, zinc, Zn, these are low, and our Indo-Gangetic region is deficient. There is low amount of macronutrients in Indo-Gangetic regions. So these are the status of essential and beneficial element in Indian soil. Now moving on, The previous year, when you look into the previous year questions, so they have asked mainly the functions of nitrogen and potassium. So we will discuss it here. Although you can know functions of major nutrients, which I have discussed in previous lectures, I think in paper 1 lectures. But today here we are going to discuss functions of nitrogen and potassium. So first of all, we are going to discuss functions of nitrogen. It is the basic constituent of life. Nitrogen is basic constituent of life. It is essential constituent of protein. It is present in, that is protein, present in nucleotides, phosphatides, alkaloids, enzymes, hormones, vitamins, etc. It is integral part of, that is present in chlorophyll, and we all know how important chlorophyll is. Without chlorophyll absorbs light during photosynthesis. It imparts vigorous vegetative growth and dark green color to plants. It imparts vegetative growth and dark green color and dark. So I have shown you the nitrogen leaf chart, that the higher the amount of greenery, the dark green means high amount of nitrogen, light green or less green means low amount of nitrogen. So this is nitrogen which imparts dark green color. It promotes early growth and results in delay and maturity in plants. Promotes early growth and results in delay in maturity in plants. Delay in maturity. It governs the utilization of potassium, phosphorus and other elements. And supply of nitrogen is also associated with carbohydrate utilization. Nitrogen is also associated with carbohydrate utilization. So these were the functions of nitrogen. Now moving on, what are the functions of potassium? Functions of potassium. Its function is catalytic in nature. Catalytic in nature. It activates similar enzymes. Activates several enzymes. It plays an important role in osmotic regulation of plant. Important role in osmotic regulation. It affects rate of transpiration and water uptake. Affects rate of transpiration and water uptake through regulation of, as it regulates stomatal opening, It has a role in energy relations, like it helps produce ATP. It imparts winter hardiness to legume. It imparts winter hardiness to crops. It counteracts the harmful effects of excess nitrogen in plant. Counter harmful effects of excess nitrogen. It helps in translocation of acylamides. It helps in formation of protein and chlorophyll, formation of protein and CHL means that is chlorophyll. It presents a beneficial effect in symbiotic nitrogen fixation of leguminous plant. It has beneficial effect. Beneficial effect in symbiotic nitrogen, in symbiotic nitrogen fixation. That is why legume plant, that is why legume, that is leguminous plants. It produces strong stiff straw. Produces strong stiff stiff straw that reduces waterlogging. Straw in cereal crops such as rice, wheat, that reduces lodging. It imparts increased vigor and disease resistance in plants. Increased disease resistance. Imparts increased vigor in plants. So these are some of the functions of potassium. I hope you understand everything. So that is all for today's session. Keep making notes, keep value adding to your notes. That's all for today. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.